Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share, and as usual, here is an overview of the things that I picked up. There wasn't a whole lot of stuff that I brought home, but as usual, I did take some pictures of some of the things that I saw while I was at Dollar Tree. So, without further ado, let's jump into this video. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to begin, in the seasonal section, they had these adorable tins. They also had them during the winter Christmas season, and I really love these for the tiered trays because they're the perfect size, and it's really cute to put little chocolates or candies in there. So I did pick up one to switch it out for the spring season, and this one here I thought was super cute with the old pink truck. And it says, Little Bunny Carrot Garden, you pick fresh daily. So I did take some pictures of the other prints that were on the tins, so I will include them here. Then over in the floral section, I was really excited to find this new wreath ring. It is a bicycle wheel, and these are going super quick. I did manage to get the last few that they had. I think they're really cute. Whether you use it as a bicycle wheel or a wagon wheel, I think it's really cute, and this will make some really nice wreaths. I picked up a couple of these decor pieces. These are very similar to the longer ones that they had, and I can't remember now if those were wooden or if they were MDF, but these ones here for sure are like an MDF particle board. So I like them because they are smaller in size, so if you're crafting, it's nice to have the various sizes. Or if you just have a smaller space that you want to place one of these decor pieces, then these work great. So the only two that I saw were these two that I picked up, and this says, Life is better with a dog. Ain't that the truth? I thought that was really cute. And then this one here made me laugh. Why ask why when you can ask wine? So really cute as well. And then the last items are all wooden pieces. So I finally ended up finding these wood planks at the Dollar Tree that I've been going to. These are really nice. They have a nice thickness to them, and you get 3 in a pack, and they are by Crafter Square. Actually, no, they're not 3. They're 6. I thought they were double thick, but they're not. They're 6 in a pack, so that's even better. Then again, by Crafter Square, I came across these wood plaques, and I saw 3 different sayings. I picked up home and love, and I think the third one said peace, but I'm pretty sure I took a picture of that as well. So they are wooden on the front as well as the back. And then I came across these wall shelves, which I have picked up in the past, and I really liked this particular one. I hung it in my daughter's room, and she placed her dolls on here. I will insert a picture so you can see that. But I came across them again, so I picked up a few more because these are really great if you have kiddos or even yourself. If you have little collectible things, for $1.25, this is a really great shelf where all you have to do is just hook it on a nail or screw or command hook. This one here I opened, and the one jute twine rope was not inserted into the ring, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But other than that, these are really cute shelves for such a great price. And guys, that will do it for this quick Dollar Tree haul. I know that I have not been back to crafting yet, and that was my plan, but unfortunately we've had some deaths in the family. We had my husband's uncle who passed away, and now his cousin has passed away, and both obviously were very hard. But with our cousin, he was only 54, I believe. So that is very sad. He left a wife and children, and our hearts are definitely broken into pieces. So it's just really been hard between my fibromyalgia flare-ups and then these things happening in between. It has been so hard for me to get back into crafting, but that is my hope and my plan. And I'm hoping as well with the nicer weather that I will kind of get out of this rut and start crafting again. I appreciate all of you who have written me and asked if I was doing okay and if I plan on crafting again. And the answer is yes, for sure. And I just hope that things do get better and that I get back to crafting very soon. I had a DIY that I was working on. I was going to show it for or decorate it for Valentine's Day. It's actually a seasonal craft that, because I decorate seasonally and not for holidays, I was going to show it for the winter, and then I got pushed back, and I was going to just show it for St. Patrick's Day, but I don't think now with things going on I'm going to be able to get it done for then. I still may show it how I would have decorated it because it was super cute, but if I don't, then I will try to do it for the spring at least, and then give ideas of other ways that it can be decorated. So I don't have a lot left to do on it. I just have to get to doing it and then of course edit it and upload it. So I thank you for your patience. I thank you for your continued support. For those of you who are commenting and liking the videos and just coming to my channel and making sure that everything is okay. I appreciate all of you so much. So that will do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like what you see, then I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did that. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.